Oh, she's appealing for it. She looks certain.
That foot just lifted, and I don't see anything behind that white line that is grounded.
And the third umpire decides it's out. So first wicket. Oh, Dart puts it down. Oh, she just went after it. Very lucky Campbell. That's a different Campbell that we're seeing already. She will get a boundary. A lucky one, I would say. Great Yorker. Oh. Down the track, in the air, and away, and gone for a six. Beautifully picked up by Campbell. It's in the air. There is a fielder. And she takes it. That's Fatma Sana taking a brilliant catch. Sadia gets Matthews one more time.
Matthews in the flight. And it was a terrific catch. It went high in the air. And Fatma Sana with the fingers pointing up above her head.
Oh, he's this close.
She never looked like dropping it.
Edge, and maybe you can say it's a drop one.
Nicely done. The length, and it was in the zone to swing the bat through. Boundary. Cut away, nicely done. It'll be a single there. Oh, in fact, coming back for the second. Yeah, into the pitch. Slower bouncer. End of the power play. And West Indies 25 for 2. Pray into it. There you go. It's so important to believe in the... That's Shah Faisal will tell us more about the tour and the places they'll be playing. Shy of the stumps. It's 8 gone. 34 for 2.
Tip and run. Directed. It must be very, very close.
We'll have to see what actually happened. And a great pickup by Natalia Perez. Well, this can be another great breakthrough for Pakistan. And it's given out by the third umpire. And it's gone for Pakistan. Once again, Ramin taking her first wicket. And Nation finally goes for 8.
Room on offer. The shot was on, but the execution was poor. And Asha Zafar takes the catch. Look at the delight on the face of Ramin after they won the toss. Nice lofted blow in the gap as well. Just a little fumble on the deep. Will probably allow an extra run. Yep, they are running on the arm. Fatma Sana for once not tidy enough. Bottom edge, and the finger's gone up. This is a brilliant catch from Najeeha Alvi. It stayed low. Alia Lane doesn't like the decision, but I thought we heard Pakistan can't do no wrong today.
A great catching by Najeeha Alvi. She has been exceptional on the field as well. And getting all those edges for Pakistan.
That has created the difference so far. Oh, it's in the air, but safe. And there's a chance too. Direct it. She'll be safe. Right between the two fielders. Will come back for the second. Who's been the best fast bowler alongside Fatma Sana? Yes. So that is why I said Pakistan have not planned and strategized better in this series. West Indies have been far ahead, reading the conditions, reading the pitch.
Definitely raises a question. Played with soft hands, and it's gotten through from the fielder. They're running hard to save that. Natalia Perez on that occasion. Good running between the wickets. 3 runs added to the total.
There is a chance. Diana Baig. Oh, she drops it. And it has gone for a boundary too.
Inside out shot took a risk on that occasion, the batter, and got lucky with that drop catch. Diana could not get to the ball in time, could not get into the position on time to take that catch.
Disappointment to see her drop one. Beautifully picked up, beautifully done. There was fielder there, but the placement was spot on. Excellent by James.
Knocked her over. Nidar Dar was looking for that one, that delivery, that magic delivery that has gotten the breakthrough once again.
Who played a good inning. Have a look at that. Slower in the air. Yorked herself too. That's a good wicket to have at this time because they were scoring runs. That might be the difference. 16 gone, 75 for 6 now.
Oh, that's been skied. This is an opportunity here for the bowler of her own bowling. Yes, today Pakistan is not doing anything wrong. Nashra gets the wicket, saying that the ball was swirling around, but she's done well to grab it, dismissing the 7th.
And the middle order being completely exposed of West Indies. A good catch in the end by Nashra Sandhu.
And gone. Oh, is it dropped? That should have been pouched. It was right there.
And she dived. And again an opportunity missed. They might get 2 runs, but the misfield in 2 runs.
Oh yes, gone. That's a very reckless slog attempt there. Went right under the horizontal bat.
To hit that ball. It was a little low with that kind of shot. Not a short pitch delivery. Another out for Pakistan, and it's Sadia that was on attack.
Yes, Sadia gets a 3rd. This was a flatter trajectory with a good bounce hitting top of off. Just moving away a little bit. Gets the seam, good position, and well, too much to handle for number 10. 79 for 9 in the 19th over. That's a good ball. Yorker length. And the West Indies scamper through for a single. Fatma Sana completes her 4 overs, none for 11. That's her career best figures in T20s. And the West Indies have 84 for 9. That's their lowest ever in T20s against Pakistan. So it's been Pakistan's day after losing the toss and being asked to bowl first. They've done very well, and the reason behind this score is that Hayley Matthews just got 1 run.
And Fatma almost getting that wicket, and Nadia was not able to get hold of the ball to get a run out as well.